If you're seeing the DNS probe finished bad config error in Chrome, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve it fast. This error often happens because of a browser issue, a bad cache, DNS problems, or even a network setting on your Windows 10 PC. The good news is that you can usually fix it yourself in just a few minutes, without needing any advanced technical skills. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's start with the easiest fix, restarting Google Chrome. Close Chrome completely, not just the current tab or window. Make sure it's fully shut down. Then, open Chrome again and try loading the website one more time. In many cases, the issue is just a temporary browser glitch, and a simple restart is enough to get everything working again. If the website still isn't loading, move on to the next step. Now let's restart your Windows 10 computer and your Wi-Fi router. This is important because network errors can come from either your device or your router. First, turn off your Wi-Fi router. Then on your computer, click the Start menu, select Power, and choose Restart. After the computer begins restarting, wait about 30 seconds. Then turn your router back on and give it a moment to reconnect to the internet. Once the connection is restored, open Chrome again and check the website. This step can refresh your entire network connection and clear out temporary routing issues that may be causing the DNS error. If the problem is still there, the next thing to do is clear Chrome cache and cookies. Open Google Chrome and press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This will open the Clear Browsing Data window. Here, make sure you select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. For the time range, choose All Time, so Chrome removes everything that could be causing the issue. Then click Delete Data. After that, restart Chrome and test the website again. Old cookies or cached files can sometimes store broken DNS-related data, and clearing them often fixes loading errors right away. Next, let's flush the DNS on Windows 10. This is one of the most effective steps for fixing DNS-related issues. Click the Windows search bar and type Command Prompt. When it appears, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. In the command prompt window, type the command ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This clears your local DNS cache and forces Windows to get fresh DNS information the next time you visit a site. Once the command finishes, close Command Prompt and try Chrome again. A corrupted DNS cache is a very common reason for the DNS probe finished bad config error, so this step is definitely worth doing. Finally, check whether a VPN or proxy is turned on. Sometimes VPNs and proxy settings interfere with normal internet traffic and cause Chrome to fail loading websites properly. If you're using a VPN, turn it off temporarily and see if the website starts working. To disable a proxy in Windows 10, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then Proxy. Find the option for Use a Proxy Server and turn it off. After that, restart Chrome and test the site again. In a lot of cases, disabling a bad proxy or VPN connection immediately resolves the issue. So, to recap, if Chrome is showing the DNS probe finished bad config error, try restarting Chrome, restarting your PC and router, clearing Chrome cache and cookies, flushing DNS in Windows 10, and disabling VPN or proxy settings. These steps solve the problem for most users and are safe to try one by one. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.